Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up your device on REALME GT Neo 5. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you can select your language or just click next, and now you can select your region and then click next again, and now click next. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi and then click next. And here you can copy your data from another device, or you can just click don't copy. Now you can draw your unlock pattern, and here you can sign in into your Google account, or you can just click skip and then click skip again. And now you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip. Then you have to scroll down and click accept, and then you can click skip again. Now scroll down and click agree, and here you have to choose your navigation method and then click done. Then click get started, and as you can see, my phone is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.